Listen, y'all, we done brought out the bacon again. We're gonna make some bacon turkey Swiss cheese sandwiches. I like to cut my bacon in half because it looks better on the sandwich. It didn't. You don't have bacon falling all out the bottom of the sandwich. It just looks better to me, and it go a little farther. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing here is I'm just adding the bacon to the skillet. I'm not overcrowding my skillet, and I'm just gonna brown the bacon. Y'all know how to cook bacon. Now, as you can see, my bacon is nice and brown. The piece that I'm taking out, the rest not done. So don't take it out if it look like that. It's not done. But the piece that I just took out, nice and brown. And that's what you want. You want the bacon to be crisp, but not hard. It's almost done now. Don't pour this bacon grease out when you finish. Keep the bacon grease because we're going to use it. Now you see I've made several batches of bacon and you see my grease is not burnt because I cooked my bacon on a medium high heat. Now at first I added just a splash of bacon grease. I'm like, stop playing. Put some bacon grease in that skillet. You want to add enough grease or oil if you want to use olive oil or... No, I wouldn't use olive oil. I'm not a big fan of olive oil. I like grapeseed oil. So if you want to use a little grapeseed oil, you can do that too if you don't want the bacon. Adding sourdough bread. I think sourdough bread takes this sandwich to the next level. You can use plain white bread, but I think sourdough bread makes it taste better. I'm adding my Swiss cheese. I'm going to add Swiss cheese on both sides of the bread because I'm a cheese lover like that. That's why I'm not vegan. If I can find a good vegan cheese, if somebody can suggest a good vegan cheese to me, I might mess around and go vegan because I'm already vegetarian. I'm making this for my children. I don't eat meat. Now I'm adding my bacon to the sandwich. And you see how it just looks better on the sandwich? It just looks neater. I just threw the turkey in the skillet just to heat it and for it to absorb a little bit of that bacon love that was left in the skillet. And I'm going to fold this over because we got to make this meat stretch. You see how I'm just leaving it in the skillet for just a slight, like 10 seconds. That's max. I'm going to put my other piece of bread on top, flip it over, put my dome on there. Y'all go call Junebug and them so they can eat because we finished. This sandwich is everything.